I'm George Lipsitz. I'm soon-to-be research professor emeritus of Black Studies and Sociology at the University of California at Santa Barbara. I'm the co-editor of an interdisciplinary ethnic studies journal called CALFU, and I serve as board president of the African American Policy Forum. When I describe my work, I often say it revolves around how people find meaning for themselves and others under conditions they don't control. And the particular point of entry for me in that agenda is what my friend and former colleague Cedric Robinson used to call the Black radical tradition, a collective intelligence honed through struggle that is committed to the freedom of Black people and the freedom of all people. The Strike for Freedom film is part of an international collaboration that involves Bill Lawson and Ernestine Jenkins from Memphis, Celeste Marie Bernier from Edinburgh, and my own work in Los Angeles and in New Orleans. And it's work that is concerned with making place and marking place. I've often said that in order for history to happen, in order for history to take place, it takes places. And the places of domination and the histories of racial capitalism's subordination of most of the people of the earth is constantly reinscribed in places, in statues, in billboards, in the architecture and design of cities, that everywhere there are visual representations of power. Resistance to power often takes place in the back alleys, in what Barbara Tomlinson and I call the insubordinate spaces that are hidden away from the surveillance of power. Our project and the Strike for Freedom film, the exhibit of papers from the Douglas collection that was in the Scottish National Museum, the creation of a plaque, 33 Gilmore Place, the building where Douglas lived while he was battling the slave system in the US and living in Scotland. Marking these places is important for us because we want to have visual reminders on the earth of the importance of freedom, the importance of resistance, the importance of what Sir Jeff Palmer in the film calls opposition to evil, which is something that's always important, but especially compelling at this moment in history.